This year's E. Donald Thomas Lecture was delivered by Dr. Connie Westhoff Monday morning at ASH's annual meeting. The lecture and its accompanying prize recognizes pioneering research achievements in hematology that have represented a paradigm shift or significant discovery in the field. Dr. Westhoff's lecture focused on the association of Rh genetic diversity with alloimmunization and the use of genomic blood group antigen profiling for the selection of units for transfusion. She pointed to the resulting improvements in patient care, especially for those needing chronic transfusion therapy.
It's primarily due to a partnership and collaboration between researchers, the blood centers that supply the products, and clinicians that are treating these patients. And I have been fortunate to have that relationship with caregivers.
Dr. Westhoff noted that the paradigm shift in transfusion therapy will continue as genomic data become commonplace in medicine.